In this chapter, we learn about the output devices. Output devices are used to display the result or information to the user through monitor, printer, plotter, and speakers, etc. The various functions of output devices are as follows. It accepts the result produced by the computer, which is in the coded form or machine readable form. It converts this coded result into human readable form. It supplies the converted result to the user. Monitor. A monitor is the commonly used output device. It looks like a television screen. It displays the result or information on its screen. It displays pictures, text, and videos. The output displayed on the monitor is called the soft copy. The monitor is also known as visual display unit. Types of monitors. The monitor displays text and graphics. Based on the technology used, monitor is classified into different types. They are CRT monitor. The full form of CRT is cathode ray tube monitor. LCD monitor. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display monitor. LED monitor. The full form of LED is light emitting diode monitor. Let's learn about the printer. Printers are the most commonly used and popular output devices. They provide information in a permanent readable form. They produce printed output of result, programs and data. The printed copy that we get from the printer is called the hard copy. The printing speed of a printer is measured in pages per minute. Printer resolution is often measured in dots per inch. Types of printers. Printers are classified into two categories according to printing technology, that is, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer is classified into two types, character printer and line printer. Character printer is classified into two types, daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer. Line printer is classified into two types, drum printer and chain printer. Non-impact printer is classified into three types, laser printer, inkjet printer and thermal printer. Impact printer. Impact printers are printers which work by creating a direct contact between ink ribbon and paper. These printers use an electromechanical mechanism. An impact printer refers to all those printers whose printing heads touch the paper. His mechanism uses hammers or pins to strike against a ribbon and paper to print the text or image. Impact printer is classified into two types, that is, character printer and line printer. Character printer. A character printer prints a single character at a time. They are low-speed printers. Their printing speed lies in the range of 10 to 600 characters per second. Character printer is classified into two types. They are daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer. Daisy wheel printer is also known as letter quality printer. These printers use a print wheel font which is termed as daisy wheel. Each petal or hammer of daisy wheel has a character raised on it. A motor spins the wheel at a rabbit rate. When the desired character spins to the correct position, a print hammer strikes it to produce the output. The speed of these daisy wheel printers normally ranges between 10 to 75 characters per second. The noise level of these printers are high. These printers are most commonly used in electronic typewriter. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers print each character as a pattern of dots. The print head is made up of a matrix of tiny needles, typically 9 rows with 7 columns. These shapes of each character are formed in the form of tiny dots. The printing quality of a dot matrix printer is inferior to a daisy wheel printer, but the printing speed of a dot matrix printer is range from 40 to 600 characters per second. Line printer. Line printers are impact printers used with mini and mainframe computers for producing large volume outputs. These printers print one line of the text at a time. Its printing speed lies in the range of 300 to 3000 lines per minute Actually, line printer prints only one character at a time, but because of its printing speed, observer observes that it prints a whole line at a time. Line printer is classified into two types, that is drum printer and chain printer. Drum printer. The drum printer consists of a cylindrical drum. A set of characters are imposed on a surface to print. A set of print hammers is associated with each character. As the drum rotates, the hammer waits for desired character and is activated. When character appear in front of hammer, the hammer is placed behind the paper. The hammer strikes the paper along with the ribbon against the imposed character on the surface. One revolution of drum is needed to print a line. As the line is printed, the paper moves upward to print next line. Chain printer. A chain containing character is used for printing. The chain noses print chain rotates very rapidly. With each link of the chain is character font. Magnetically driven hammers are there in each print position, and all the characters which are to be printed are received by the printer through processor. When the desired character comes in the print position, the hammer strikes the ribbon and paper against the character. Thus, it prints one line at a time. It is very noisy. Non-impact printer. This printer uses ink and special electrical machines for producing outputs. Non-impact printers are all those printers whose printing heads do not touch paper. A non-impact printer forms character and images on a piece of paper without actually striking the paper. Non-impact printer is classified into three types. They are laser printer, inkjet printer and thermal printer. Laser printer. Laser printer is a fast-speed page printer. It is a type of printer that utilizes a laser beam to produce an image on a drum. The light of the laser alters the electrical charge on the drum wherever it hits. The drum is then rolled through a reservoir of toner which is picked up by the charged portion of the drum. Finally, the toner is transferred to the paper through a combination of heat and pressure. Thus, we get the print. There are two types of laser printer, example mono and color. Its printing speed and quality is better than those of other printers. Inkjet printers. Inkjet printer is non-impact character printer. It uses the dot matrix approach to print text and graphics. However, the dots are formed by tiny droplets of ink. They print characters by spraying small drops of ink onto paper. For spraying, drops nozzles are used. Special type of ink having high ion content is used for forming drops. Droplets of ink are electrically charged after leaving a nozzle when it passes through a valve. The droplets are then guided to the proper position on the paper by electrically charged horizontally and vertically deflection plates. Thermal printer. Thermal printing is a digital printing process which produces a printed image by selectively heating coated thermochromic paper or thermal paper as it is commonly known. When the paper passes over the thermal print head, the coating turns black in the areas where it is heated, producing an image. They produce noiseless, high resolution print jobs. Plotter. A plotter is a special output device used to produce hard copies of large graphs and designs on paper, such as construction maps, engineering drawings, architectural plans, and business charts. A plotter is a printer designed for printing vector graphics. Instead of printing individual dots on the paper, plotters draw continuous lines. This makes plotters ideal for printing architectural blueprint designs and other CAD drawings. Projector. A projector is an output device that projects an image onto a large surface such as widescreen or wall. It may be used as an alternative to a monitor or television when showing video or images to a large group of people. It is used for classroom teaching, giving presentations, etc.